good morning. So it's now 5:40 and we're going to work. And I'm ready. I'll see you later, guys. Hello! So, after work, dito tayo sa bahay ngayon. Relax muna tayo, guys. So, ayan. Baby, I'm watching movie or something, but I need to do workout. I need to start the workout na kasi. Alam niyo na, guys. We need to be fit. Ayan. So, ayun yung mga, fall decoration. Konti lagi ka. Tapos yung Christmas tree, andyan na. Hindi pa ako tapos. Little bit. Ayan. May decoration na konti yung bahay. Ayun si Jerry. Jerry boy! You are a good boy. Alam mo bakit good boy? Kasi, lagi niyang inaantay na yan, buksan yung gate. You know, you're a good boy, a good boy. Pero hindi niya alam. Pwede naman sana siya dumaan dito. Yan, open naman dito. Ay. Mommy's deleting. Come on, Jerry. Come here, Jerry boy. Come here. Come on, Jerry boy. Come here. Oh my God. Is always still eating? Come on, Jerry. Huh? Oh. Yan yung Christmas decoration. Jerry, come here. Come here, baby boy. Come on, Jerry. Come here. Come here. Ah. What's wrong? My God. Come on, Jerry. Come here. Did you pee? You pee in the Christmas tree? Oh my God, Jerry boy. Good evening. So I'm gonna end with this vlog. Inaantok na talaga ako, guys. So I work from 6 to 6 today. And then kahapon, naikabit ko na yung Christmas decoration. Ayan. So, nag-aaway sila. So, it's gonna be a long day. But, we make it, guys. So, thank God. Tapos na yung ating long day. Long day at work. Oh, guys. Hey, calm down. Hey, calm down. Nag-aaway sila. Hoy! Why you... Sorry. It's okay. Sweetie, come here. Sweetie, it's okay, baby girl. Jerry, no! It's okay. Nag-aaway sila kasi So, yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. And, hopefully, may nag-comment sa akin kanina. Sabi niya, gusto daw niya mag-start mag-vlog. Kasi marami naman daw siyang subscribers sa Facebook. Sabi ko, well, go ahead, if you, mabuti na mag-start ka kaysa magantay ka, diba? Okay lang yung medyo, lang dito sa, guys, sa YouTube, medyo matagal lang dito, but, dito ko kasi, nag-start talaga ako mag-vlog here sa YouTube. So, siguro, since dumating ako dito in 2017 sa Amerika, nag-start ako dito mag-vlog. Tapos, I'm always stop and go. So, until one day, parang napagod na ako. Parang, I do all my best. I do all my best na parang mula man nanonood, na parang yun, parang napagod ako sa post, huminto ako sa pag-vlog kasi parang, lalo ngayon, ang daming kung video na hindi ko na-edit kasi parang alam niyo yun, parang dumating talaga yung time na parang you give up. So one day, I just scrolling and I just watching shorts sa YouTube. Mag-post ako ng mga 10 seconds. Wala akong may manood o wala. So I keep posting and posting that every day. So it's almost 3 weeks na I'm doing that. So doon ko talaga siya na if you want to do something, you have to be consistent. Focus ka lang and enjoy what you're doing. Kasi dito sa YouTube, marami tayong mga kapwa din na YouTube. Kumbaga, but each of us may mga unique, di ba? May mga pagkakaiba tayo. So, para sa akin, yung kung mag-start kayo ng vlogging is it's better na wag nyo isipin yung kita. Ano bang mangyayari sa akin dyan? Wala naman akong kita dyan. Wala naman manonood ng vlog ko. Or, ang dami na nag-vlog, ganun. So, don't put so much negatives, diba? Sa isang bagay na gusto nyong gawin. So, well, kung you do a vlog, and then, kung walang manood, okay lang. Kung may manood, okay lang. So, just enjoy. My first vlog, ang first vlog ko, tapos ang nanood pa sa akin, ang kapatid ko. So, wala naman mawala, guys. Kung may manonood, maganda. Kung wala, okay lang din. But, you have to start something na. Kung gusto nyo talaga mag-start doing like vlogging, so do it right now. Wag kayong mag-antay ng bukas kasi bukas ng tulis na makalimutan nyo na yun, guys. So, yun lang, guys, ang aking advice. And I'll see you in my next vlog tomorrow. Bye, guys. Have a blessed day.